as promised, today we got the Jordan 1 black and white review with the on feet. These were asked to me at first impression, but after hearing a lot of y'all out, they grew on me a little bit, okay? I could wear these with anything. Look at the fit right now, you feel me? Boom. I could throw these on. In the on feet, I'm gonna throw these on with the white on one side, black on the other. Shout out to the homie in the comments that requested that. I appreciate you. But yeah, bro, they cool. It's just don't buy them for retail, like no need. I'm gonna explain why later in this video. We do got the black and white Jordan 1s 2.0 joints. It's literally bread color blocking with the black and white. You could literally wear these with anything. That's one of the things that gained my support on this sneaker. If y'all end up enjoying this review, make sure y'all leave a like on it down below. If y'all get this to 250 likes, I'll buy an early sneaker for damn near every week this year. That's a big commitment, you feel me? But I appreciate all the love y'all been giving me. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 25,000 subscribers thanks to y'all. I love what they did with this box. Almost looks elegant on this sneaker. Boom, black and white Nike, size 10. Color code is black, white, white. I don't know what else y'all were expecting, but that's everything on the box. Opening these up, do get the kicks. Did a first look for them, so they're obviously out of the wrapping, but these should come individually wrapped. Lot number on the box lid. Pulling these out, they're not that bad, you feel me? A couple days ago when I was talking about these, I was low-key flaming them, and I still have some of those feelings because this sneaker is gonna get washed out by how many other fire releases we have. From the Olive 5, Metallic Gold 4 sales, just had Bread 4 reimagined. There's just so much going on that a sneaker like this, mind you, the Jordan 1s are already falling off, quote unquote. Just don't see too much value in it, at least right now. Maybe a few years down the line it'll be worth more. These are set to release February 24th at a retail of $180, which at this point y'all shouldn't even buy these Jordan 1s for retail unless it's a collab or some shit. Maybe not even those, bro. Real quick, let's go over all the details on the Jordan 1 black and white 2.0. There's not much to it, but I'm still gonna cover it. So on the outsole you got black, on the midsole you got white, around the ankle you got that white, as well as on the swoosh. Wings logo is in black. Toe box is obviously white. White Nike Air on the tongue, white insole, black Nike Air. The material for the black does feel like a smooth synthetic leather if I'm being honest, and then on the white it does have a better quality, little more tumble to it, nothing crazy. Almost feels like what we got on the black toe Jordan 1 lows, where it does have some tumble. Doesn't feel like yellow ochres, for example. Quality on those was insane. Overall, solid wearable shoe. If you're gonna pick these up, patience is a virtue, family. These right now are going for $130, bro. Their retail is $180. They're going for $130, and they haven't even dropped. So imagine what's gonna happen to that price when pairs hit the market. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to buy these for damn near $100. That's the reason I tell y'all to just be patient, especially with sneakers like this. It just won't be worth paying $50 over to get them for retail. I don't know if it's a pride thing or what it is, but if you want these, bro, literally save some money. You could probably even get them for more of a steal if you're just patient enough. I don't think this is one of those sneakers that's gonna sell out. This isn't gonna be a difficult pair to get by any means. Now, wearability on this one is 100% there. One of those pairs that you could wear with damn near anything, if not everything. It's black and white. You just can't go wrong with it. I understand why a lot of y'all in the comments do want this shoe, because you could literally make it a beater, especially if the prices are right. $100 beater that you could wear all the time, and I respect it. You know what I mean? Everybody needs one of those pairs. For a while, mine was the Baron Jordan 1s. This was my beater for a minute, bro. Y'all could see I low-key put some miles into these, and it's one of my favorite Jordan 1s. I love the simplicity on it. It does have a little bit more color, which is kind of what I'm referring to when I talk about these. It doesn't have too much going on. It's damn near a similar shoe, but that gray just adds something to it. Let me know if y'all agree in the comments. Now, we have seen something extremely similar to these in the past, and it was the Derek Jeter Jordan 1s. It was basically the same shit, but wherever you see the black right here, it had respect on it in like 3M. Damn near the same shoe, so people are calling this one the Broke Man Jeter 1s. If I'm not mistaken, there was also a navy pair of Jeter 1s. I might be tripping on that, correct me if I'm wrong, but these are coming ASAP, so I decided to throw them on feet and show show y'all what they're looking like. Hopefully when I throw them on feet and lace them up, I feel better about them. I want to see these with the white laces like I said at the beginning of the video. This would have been off-white instead of just like a pure ass white. I would have been all for these. I definitely think that the off-white color would have set these right. They still would have matched with everything. It still would have been a white and black sneaker, but that sail would have definitely added a good vibe. That's what's going on with these. I would still rate them like a solid maybe 7.5 out of 10. Not my favorite shoe. We had Yellow Ochre's released recently. Palomino's released last year. There's just way better Jordan 1 options, and at the price that you could get these for, $130, you could literally put $20 on top, pick yourself up some University Blues. But if you don't have too many sneakers in your collection, this is definitely a good one to throw in the rotation as a beater, a sneaker that you wear all the time. And like I told y'all in the first look, I'm probably hating on this sneaker because I still want the OG black and whites. I know those are worth a little bit more, maybe around $250 or something like that, but at the end of the day, when I compare these to those, I would take those any day. It's just me at the end of the day. I love the Chicago color blocking with the black. It just works perfectly. I still think these are kind of hard, bro. I understand how some of y'all do like these, like I said before, but for me, it's just not a priority. And shit, maybe on feet it will change. There's the on feet going on right now, and on there I'm gonna put some text with my final verdict, letting y'all know whether or not these are ass in my opinion, or it's a sneaker that I'm gonna end up keeping. If I end up selling these, I'm gonna put that in my sneaker fund to pick up the OG black and white 85s. But at the end of the day, these are dropping in the next few days, and like I promised y'all before, early sneaker content is gonna be on rotation this whole entire year. If y'all enjoy the content that I've been putting out lately, make sure y'all leave a like on this so we could spread to the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel because we're on road to 25,000. We just hit 24. We on 25 real soon, and we gotta hit 30 in the next couple months. Thanks to y'all, it will be possible, and I know it, bro. I'm gonna bust my ass for it, but I know together we will make it happen. I appreciate y'all for all the love you've been giving me lately. At the end of the day, you do you do what you need to do to secure what you need, I guess. What I'm saying is save yourself some money. You can use that for another pair. You can use it for anything damn near, bro, but it is what it is. Jordan 1 Black and White 2.0 has officially entered the review archives. More heat on the way, I promise y'all. One last look on the black and white Jordan 1s. Bing, bang, boom. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, you know exactly what to do. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching. Subscribe to the channel. There's more heat on the way. If y'all don't like these, y'all might like the next review, which is the Jordan 5 Olives. Chef's kiss, definitely a banger. I love those. I think these are cool. I'm debating if I should keep them. Let me know in the comments if this is a keep or a sweep. But yeah, I appreciate y'all nonetheless. Thank you for making it this far into the video. If you made it this far, comment panda juice so we could confuse anybody that didn't make it this far. But I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Check out one of these two videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. If there's any early sneakers y'all want me to pick up, comment that down below. The more y'all request a shoe, the more I will keep my eyes out for it. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these two videos. Peace.